The irregular preteritum is irregular because there's changes occurring, and these changes are not predictable. I cannot make up any rule or see any pattern here. So you have to learn them by heart. How to learn them by heart, I will tell you later. Let's take a look at a few examples. Fahren. And as so often, we simply cut off the en to get the stem, fahr. And in the irregular preteritum, it turns into fuhr. And you notice two things. The a has changed into a u for whatever reason. And there is no more te like in the regular forms. Yeah, you remember spielte. But here it's fuhr. That's it. Actually, all the forms of fuhr would be ich fuhr, du fuhrst, er fuhr oder es fuhr, wir fuhren, ihr fuhrt, sie fuhren. And you see the endings, the personal endings, are identical to those of the regular forms. Another example is laufen. Laufen, stem is lauf, turns into leaf. The au turned into an ie, for whatever reason. Last example, let's take fliegen. In the irregular preteritum, that's flog. So you have to learn these vowel changes. It's only the stem vowel that changes in almost all irregular verbs. There's only very few exceptions. So this we will deal with in the technique video. This is what this app was created for. Now, about the more irregular versions, I give you one example, gehen. Gehen ends in h in the stem, but the preteritum form is ging, an ng. Where that comes from is simply unpredictable for us. Yeah? So there's very few, let's say a handful of those highly irregular forms that you are easily picking up because they are so outstanding. And everything that stands out so significantly is almost gets more of our attention and therefore is easier learned. Yeah, as you know, you don't really have to use the preteritum, you have to recognize it mainly. This should suffice for this topic. Make sure to train these. You will need them later in the higher levels because you will create the noble conjunctive form from it and maybe find some other uses for it. But for now, if you're a beginner especially, that's all you need to know. Thank you.